Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
May I know your good name?
My name is Shiva.
You are a butter here?
Yes.
Archaka. Is it something hereditary sort of a thing?
Yes, this is a temple coming as hereditary.
Okay. Is it a private management or?
No, this is a Vamshapara Pariya coming.
Acha. Can you tell me something about the temple, its history?
This is the temple constructed before 850 years. My forefather Appala Deshika came from Sriviliputtur by taking the Lord permission along with his vigrahas. After coming here, the Lord Goda said, I will stay here, please construct a temple for me. So he started what we say Akshaya Patra. Taking Akshaya Patra, he visited every village and collected the money and asked the Goda, Lord Goda, she told, construct the temple on this mountain called Gardadri. And he said, this is the place where all the serpents and animals are there, what I should do. Then he went to Pushkarini near to the temple and he did daily Anushtana. After coming here, all serpents and wild animals cleared from this place and the place became to construct the temple. And he constructed the temple by molding this mountain into a structure, rock structure. This is a temple coming from 850 years without any endowments and continuing. I am the 9th generation here, doing service here. Thank you.
Thank you. About the Swamy Ranga Nayaka, anything about some kind of a thing that the village people have felt on worshipping Ranga Nayaka?
There is a situation called Goda went here. The Brahmotsavas will start from Ashada Amavasya and till Shravana Sashti. In that occasions, Mata went and asked a shopkeeper, please offer me a bangles. My father will give money. He said, my father is Appala Deshika. Then he went, the shop owner went and asked Appala Deshika, your daughter has weighed bangles, please give the money. He told, I didn't have any santana. And he came to temple and opened the door. He saw the bangles to the Lord Goda. So from that day, the Goda is called as Gajulamma here. This is the main situation in this village.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.